Welcome back to students to Social Studies class. Hope you are watching all the videos sent by us. Let's move on to part 4 of lesson number 8, Delhi during the medieval period. In the previous video, we learned about the Mamluk dynasty, Khilji dynasty and Tughlaq dynasty. In this video, I am going to share information about the Sayyid and Lodi dynasty. Sayyid dynasty started from the year 1414 and was ended by 1451. If you remember, dear children, the Tughlaq dynasty, Firoz Shah Tughlaq ascended the throne after Muhammad Tughlaq. However, from that time onwards, the Delhi Sultanate began to weaken, and this was due to the invasion of Timur. Timur invaded Delhi in the year 1398 to 1399. He was a descendant of Genghis Khan. If you remember, dear children, Iltutmish of Mamluk dynasty, he did not allow Genghis Khan to enter India. Years later, Timur, his descendant, invaded Delhi. He mercilessly plundered Delhi and defeated the last ruler of the Tughlaq dynasty. Timur destroyed and looted Delhi, but went away. He appointed Khizr Khan to rule Punjab. Years later, he captured Delhi in the year 1414 and established his rule. So the real founder of the Sayyid dynasty was Khizr Khan. Mubarak Shah ascended the throne of Delhi after the death of his father Khizr Khan. Mubarak grew to be a very successful commander. Seeing all the good qualities of his son, Khizr Khan nominated Mubarak as his successor. So, he was enthroned after the death of his father. Mubarak Shah ruled from 1421 to 1434 AD. Tariq-i-Mubarak Shahi was the book written during this range. Thereafter, Muhammad Shah was the third monarch of the Sayyid dynasty, which ruled the Delhi Sultanate. He succeeded his uncle Mubarak Shah to the throne. Thereafter, Alam Shah succeeded his father Muhammad Shah to the throne. Alam Shah was an incapable ruler. He left the kingdom in 1448. He moved to Budhan. 3 years later, Bahlul Lodi took control of this capital. So this was the end of the Sayyid dynasty and Lodi dynasty started. Lodi dynasty started in the year 1451 and was ended by 1526. Bahlul Lodi was a founder of the Lodi dynasty. He was not a Turkish, he was an Afghan ruler. Sikandar Lodi ascended the throne after Bahlul Lodi. Though Sikandar Lodi had the good qualities of a good ruler, he lacked religious tolerance. The most important ruler of this dynasty was Sikandar Lodi because he was the one who founded the beautiful city of Agra and made his capital. He has also written a book of poem, Gulrakhi, in Persian language. He died in 1517 and was buried in Lodi Garden. Ibrahim Lodi was the last ruler. The Sultanate period ended in 1526. Babur, the emperor of Kabul, invaded Delhi at this time. He defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the Battle of Panipat in 1526 CE and founded the Mughal Empire. So this was the end of the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire started. Hope children this information was useful to you. Watch this video again and again and read your text. Thank you.